In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Firefox AI proofreading feature for chatbots in a simple step-by-step way. This is a great feature if you want to work faster, compare chatbot tools, and keep everything handy right inside your browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer and look to the top right corner of the browser. Click the menu icon to open the main Firefox menu. From there, click Settings. This will take you into the browser settings page where you can manage privacy options, appearance, and advanced features. Once you're in Settings, look for AI controls and click on that section. This is where Firefox lets you manage AI-related features and chatbot options. After that, scroll down until you see AI chatbot providers in the sidebar. This is the area where Firefox lets you choose which chatbot service you want to use. Now click the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available AI options. Depending on what's available in your version of Firefox, you may see choices like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Copilot. Select the AI provider you want to use. Once you click one of them, Firefox will open it in the sidebar so you can chat without leaving the page you're on. This is especially useful if you want quick answers, help rewriting text, or support while browsing and researching. You can switch between providers if Firefox gives you multiple options, which makes it easy to compare responses and find the one that works best for you. And that's it. Now you know how to access and use Firefox's AI chatbot feature through the browser settings. It only takes a few clicks, and once it's set up, it can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.